Okay, so I'll explain this one again, right from the beginning, and you can check as you go along. Right, one more time. Yes. Okay, so this is the document at the beginning. You have to double click on the header to make the header, and you just go to the left side and you will write your name, ID number, and your section. To make it a little bit tidier, you can actually remove that space. Okay. Now, the next part is just to change all of the type. So we highlight that by dragging the cursor over the writing, and you change to Times New Roman, then change to size 12. Then you're going to check that it's the right color, black, and then click 2 times on bold, click 2 times on italic, click 2 times on underline, and that removes all the bold, all the italic, all the underline. Now, in this title, we have all in capital letters. So if you go to this capital A with a small a, you can click, and on the drop-down menu, choose capitalize each word. Now, for small words in English, we don't capitalize them in a title. We now have 2 titles. We can remove one, and we can move some of the spacing. Okay, the next thing is to remove these stars. And the last thing to do is to put this at the right side, because it's actually on the wrong side. So it should be, sorry, this side. Okay. Now, one thing left, we have this space in the middle here. So we need to move this up. And there we have it. Okay, so the final thing we need to do with the document, because in English we indent on 12 or 1 tab, and the last thing is highlight, and with this arrow button we put it to 2. And this is how a document looks when we submit it to Blackboard normally. Okay, in your classes you will be doing it like this for assignments, but not on the tests, just because we're not able to. And that's it. Thanks.